Okay, I'm busy preparing a foundation for another water tank. It's like a 2,400 liters. The other one you see is a 500 liters. It's a bit small. I'm going to keep that with normal clean water, and then see there's the gutter. I'm just going to use the gutter and the rainwater to fill up this one, and then I'm going to put a pump, the pipes through here and a pump around the corner, a booster pump for us. If there's like water shedding or problems with the water, then we'll be able to have some excess water, spare water. Okay, I'll update you tomorrow. We're gonna put some cement, concrete in here, and then I put a slab, some bricks, and then next week the tank is coming, and then I'm gonna put it on there.
Okay, now we put it pieces of planks all around, but what you do just to measure the circle, you also measure a piece of plank, put a hole in the middle, pin in the middle, and then you just know exactly where to plant your pieces of plank to keep the circle perfect. And then you just put some sand in the corners and the outside just to keep the cement not from pushing over the planks. Here's a concrete mix from the local building supplies. Chamberlain's is a concrete mix, 40 kilogram bags. I bought like 10 to 12 from them for the area. Then you go and they normally don't put it in a. If you mix one by one bag, you put it in a wheelbarrow. But if you put more than one, it's better to put it on the ground. Easier to mix a big quantity at once. Just add water and just prepare your mixture. Make sure it's nice, and then you just take your spade and just put it inside that area. Spread it more or less equal. Afterwards, you can just go and spread it a little bit with your spade. And I use a piece of plank and the spirit level. Then you can make sure that the whole total the level is horizontal anyway, that the tank doesn't stand skew. And that's easy. So and then you take that instrument and you just we call it a troffle, and then you smooth the top just to make sure there's no sticking out pieces of stone to damage your tank in the bottom. Make it nice and smooth, and then you just leave it to dry. So normally leave it for a week before you put your tank on, and just water it like for 2 another days. Put some water to make sure the cement cure properly. There's the finished piece now.
Okay, now I'm going to remove all these pieces of wood now because this concrete is dry. And then I bought this fittings. This is 40 millimeter. It goes in the JoJo tank, and then 2 taps. One where a pump is going to go on, and one is just to when I need water without the pump. I can just use this small one. Here's some PTFE tape to seal it, and then I'm going to put it now on the bottom there of the JoJo tank. And let me first remove these pieces of plank, and then I'm going to position. I bought a piece of gutter also just to make it from that side onto the top of the leaf catcher. I'll show you just now. And to use them, take this out. Okay, I managed to fix the gutter here. I just put a new extension in and a bend. It's not a 90-degree bend, it's a slight bend, 60 degrees, and then the pipe goes all the way down. Just make here a bracket here. Let me just show you. It's in this type of bracket. There's the trees in the way here. So here's just a bracket against the wall here. Is to suspend it, and there I put a posi drive with just another bracket there. Then it goes all the way down to the tank. Now it can suspend the water a little bit, and I put some rivets in here. There's a rivet just to keep it there. Okay, now I made a hole in this black cover and mark it down. Just put it inside here, yeah. Can I show you? So here's the leaf filter. There it comes down. I'm gonna put it in here. I just managed to put it in here. Sorry, now it's in. So now it's in. Now we can just open clean here and take the leaves out. Nice contraption. And I just need to get this two little clips here. This little clips comes in the side here. Clips it down. There's another clip here. Okay. Since this one that seems to work so well. Okay, there's the clip. So there's not much can get through here. Now I just need to open this thing on top here for the overflow. But I think we must put a mesh, kind of a mesh in here for the leaves. So I think I'm gonna just put some grit or something in here just to keep the ants out. This one is alright, but they're gonna get in here anyway. So okay, and then there's my taps. I fastened the two taps here if I want to water here, and from here my pump is gonna go from here with the bend just to the booster pump. Now I'm just gonna take some ground away, put some this little stones here, just for if the rains and doesn't spatter so much here, just to keep it clean. Then it's gonna be nice. So this is my 2,400 liter JoJo water tank installation. I think it's not bad. So now we're gonna see how much rain it takes, how much millimeter to fill it up, and the concrete is there and everything is nice. Okay, this is the first part. I think I'm gonna stop here. When I start installing the motor and the booster pump, I will do the rest. I'll just post this thing for now, and then I'm just going to put some stones here quickly, then I will say goodbye. Alright, I put some gravel here from the stones just to make it a little bit neater. Okay, as I said, I will come back with when I install the booster pump, and then I'll make another video. Thanks for watching. Next time, cheers.